Are you suffering from embarrassing hair loss and feeling helpless? If so, we have a solution for you. Hi, I'm Carla. I'm from LeBeau Visage Medical Spa, and we want to help you with the hair loss that you are having. 56 million people suffer from hair loss, and almost half of those are women. We have a solution for this embarrassing problem. It's natural and affordable. Your own platelet-rich plasma, also known as PRP, is injected into your scalp. Platelets that are injected to your scalp do several different things. Number one, they actually stimulate new hair follicles, and it increases the diameter of the hair shaft, resulting in much thicker, fuller hair that definitely looks healthier. And with the increased number of hair follicles, some of those bald areas are going to definitely start diminishing. What is PRP? It is platelet-rich plasma that comes from your own blood. That is what is injected into your scalp for hair regrowth. With PRP, you should expect 30% increase in the number of hair follicles and also a 60% increase in the thickness of your hair. So what's unique about PRP compared to other hair regrowth treatments that are available is that some of those involve medications. Those medications have side effects that some people don't like too much. And then also a surgical option, which is actually a hair transplant, can run upwards of $20,000. This treatment is only $800 per treatment. Each patient should anticipate needing 4 treatments. The procedure itself involves 12 injections of the PRP into your scalp. We use a numbing spray with each injection. I will tell you on a scale of 1 to 10 that most women will say that it's about a 2 to 3, and most men will say it's about a 5. This is considered a lunchtime procedure without any downtime. We do ask that if you're interested in this, you visit us here at LeBeau Visage Medical Spa. Give us a call at 214-705-7676. We would love to customize a hair restoration program for you.